Hello everyone. Today we will see Hatha Yoga in short. Adinathaya Namastute. Adinath means Lord Shiva. So we are saluting Lord Shiva and we are offering him Namaste and we offer our solutions to the first founder, my Master of Universe, who has preached the knowledge of Hatha Yoga. Definition of Hatha Pradipika says that Hakarah Kirtitah Suryah, Thakarah Chandra Uchate. Her means Surya, her for hot, it refers to Surya Nadi, and Thakarah, tha, that is cold, it refers to Chandra. So when Surya and Chandra Nadi, when we are balanced, we call it as a Hatha Yoga, that is balancing of these two nadis. Then we come to the shlok, Hatam vina rajayogo, rajayogam vina hatah, na siddhyati tatho yugmam, mani nishpahate samabhyasit. So the sentence goes like that. If we go word to word, it is Hatha means Hatha Yoga, Vina means no, Raja Yoga means Raj Yoga, and again Raja Yoga, Vina means no Hatha Yoga. So is no Hatha Yoga without Raja Yoga, or no Raja Yoga without Hatha Yoga. This is word to word meaning. But then it is said that na siddhyati. So siddhyati means what? Siddhya means success, finding success. Na means no. So the sentence goes as, there is no success in Raja Yoga without Hatha Yoga, whereas there is no success in Hatha Yoga without Raja Yoga. So we have to practice both. Yugma, na siddhati tatha yugma. Yugma means both all together. Samabhyasit is all together. So practicing both all together, we get success, we get complete success. We are saying about the Raj Yoga. What is this Raj Yoga? Raj Yoga is Chittam Raj Yoga Abhidhanakam. Chittam is mind. Eki bhutam tadha chittam. When Eki bhutam means completely, totally, to be together. So whenever Chitta is perfectly isolated, it is called as Raja Yoga. And these are some things about Raja Yoga. We'll just go forward. This is about the yoga matha, means one who has to perform yoga abhyas. You have to do yoga abhyas. He has to live in this type of matha, which has got alpa dwaram. If you see this, alpa means small, dwaram means door. Arandhram means holes. There should be no holes. Garta vivaram, it should be free from holes. So this is in short about the matha. The room should have small door, be free from holes, hollows, neither too high nor too low, well plastered with cow dung and free from dirt, fleet and insects. Then let us come to the Badak Tattva. This is very important for us. So what are the Badak Tattva? Means if we want to perform yoga, or if we want to do Hatha Yoga or Raja Yoga, these are the tattvas which comes in, which destroys us. Okay, so these are Atya Aharaha Prayasasya Prajalpo Niyamagraha. Atya Aharaha. Ati means over. Ahara is food. So overeating. Prayasa means doing some work. Prayasa means prayatna. So prati ayasa, that is extra, doing some extra effort, so which causes exertion. This is prayasa. Prajalpo, again pra means something this is a prefix given to the word. Prajalpo, jalpo is means talkativeness. So pra means excessive talkativeness. Niyamagraha, niyama means rules, and agraha means to be abiding to that rules, to adhere to that rules. So niyamagraha means we have set some rules for ourselves, and we always strictly follow the same rules. So these are the badak tattvas. We should not be strict to the rules. Jana sangha, jana means public, and sangha is to be with them. Lavlyam is the attachment. So jana sangha lavlyam is to be attached to the public, to public places, or like just we have friends meeting, in general meeting is there, so being attached to that. These all are the types which Shadbhir Yogo, Shada means 6. These 6 types are destroying yoga. Yogo vinashati. So vinashati yani destroying. Yogo means yoga. So yoga is destroyed by these 6 badak tattvas. Coming to the sadak tattva. Utsaha, utsahat, sahasat, dhairyat, tattva jnata nishchayat. Utsaha means enthusiasm. Enthusiasm for performing the yogas. Enthusiasm. We have some energy to do that. That is enthusiasm. Sahas means courage. Any type of courage. Dhairya. Dhairya is the dhairya means daring and perseverance. Whereas tattvajnata, tattvajnata means the knowledge. We say no, tattvajnan, any type of knowledge, that is discriminative knowledge. Nishchayata, nishchay means faith, faith in something. Like we should have faith in yoga, we should have faith in ourselves, that is nishchay. And nishchay also is the to follow the rules, to follow something strictly, that is nishchay. Jana sangha, again here jana is the people, jana sangha is a collectiveness or a company of people. Parityaga, sadak tattva also, what we do, parityaga means we be free from them, aloofness, to be away from this public. Again, parityagat bhir yogaha siddhyati. These are the sadak tattva. If we follow this, we get siddhyati again, to success in yogas. जीवन सफल बनाने वाले 6 आदतें एंड जीवन सफल बनाने असफल बनाने वाले 6 आदतें. Okay, this I have explained to you, sadak and badak tattva. Yama niyama santosha. Okay, asanam. So what are the effects of hatha yoga, benefits of hatha yoga? Hatasya prathamangatvada asanam puryamuchyate, kuryat asanam stairyam arogyam cha angalagavam. So what we get through hatha yoga? Stairya, that is steadiness in the body, arogya, proper health, good health, angalagavam, lightness in the body. So this is very important shlok. Hatasya prathamangatvada. Prathamangatvada means in hatha yoga, the first chapter, that is called as anga, is the asana. Purvam uchyate, as it has been told, that is it has been told in the classical text as the first. Prathama means first, anga means it's a chapter, is the asana. Kuryat asanam, and so kuryat asanam is asana. After doing asanas, we get stairyam, arogyam cha angalagavam. Now the name of the asana. There are 15 postures have been described in hatha yoga, and these are the names of the asanas. It has been given to us: swastikasana, gomukhasan, virasana. Then next is the four main asanas which have been described. The four are Siddham, Padmam, Tata Siham, Bhadram, Cheti, Chatushtayam. Siddhasana, Padmasana, Tata means and, Sihasana, and then Bhadrasana. Cheti, Chatushtayam means four. Out of these four, Siddhasana is said to be very important. Any Shreshta tatrapi Chasuke Tishte Siddhasanam Sada. So Siddhasana is known to be the Shreshta asana. So Siddham, Padmam, Tatha Siham, Bhadram, Cheti, Chatushtayam. So these four types of asanas are the important in Hatha Yoga. We will continue in the next session. Thank you.